Good afternoon, people. I want to thank the Prime Minister for Jamaica, Andrew Holness. I ask him to thank you for the corona money when he give to people. How you na bank book? They can go restaurant and collect the money. I carry the ID and the hand. I would have them bank card can go to the bank, got the bank to draw the money. I thank you, Andrew, for the local money. I'm asking people up on the road, they take time to look at money, and Andrew is going no. Look at corona money, Andrew is going. I'm asking people if you take time with it. Don't use it buy rum and don't use it buy a cigarette. That's not nice. And don't use it buy and don't take it go gamble, go gamble money and gamble this and gamble that. That's not nice. Use the money Andrew is giving if you do. Buy your food. Buy your clothes and buy one little socks on your foot and put on when you dress up in your yard. Man, I Andrew, I thank you for it, Andrew, on this. Because I never earn nothing for myself neither. You give me little money for go to buy my base, my soap, and my brush for wash up my dirty clothes that I have. I never look, I never have a wife collect me wash my clothes them. And so and I wash my clothes them. I sometimes close the phones when I want to. But thank you, Andrew Holness. Thank you. I buy people walk about people back and I buy people bros. In a nice way, I walk about people things. Thank God I have a little money for myself because I buy my own stuff them. People, they take time in the money. Respect, bro, God. But you know what I say, but I say respect for the little money you give me. Respect for it. Big up yourself.